You've seen the way these graduates pile on the celebratory neckwear. It's like you can't have too many graduation lei. So we are joining in this celebration this week, saying go ahead and order the traditional fresh floral lei, but we'll help you make a fuzzy one to layer on with it. KSL News anchor Ashley Moser is our guide to this Hawaiian tradition. We called in the experts.
I'm so glad I'm here because I love making lei and I love sharing about my culture.
Well, this speaks to your culture, your growing up.
Yep, for sure. And it's fun because, did you know, you don't plural, there's no plural in Hawaiian language.
Well, we checked that. I checked that, right, as a professional communicator.
Exactly.
I didn't know that until today. Lei.
Yes, so it's lei. So even if we're talking about multiple lei, we say lei.
Lei.
So it's
like deer.
Yeah, exactly.
But prettier.
Joe is a deer, female deer. Exactly.
Okay, now throw me back to your graduation. Was it the layered effect that I referenced?
It's almost to your nose, Brooke. Like it's like the cooler you are, the more lei you get. No, but yeah, all my high school friends. I mean, moms, dads, we would make lei, we'd pass it out. Yep, see, so I got some friends. They come by, they pile it on, and really, it gets hot.
Oh.
You get sweaty.
Well, that's heavy. There's some weight.
But yeah, you see the mixture. You got fresh flour, you have candy lei, shells, nuts, ribbon. I love personally the ribbon because it lasts longer.
Sure,
it becomes
it becomes a token, a memento.
Yeah.
Well, you've brought one of your other favorite varieties today, and you make these. You give these to coworkers, kids. You give these to kids in your neighborhood.
Every year, I love this time of year, graduation season. I pick up a bunch of colors. So this is called eyelash yarn.
Okay.
Have you seen this before?
I've seen it. I haven't worked with it.
So I've never done it. You know, I've never knitted with it, but you can do lei with it. So you can buy this on Amazon. I like getting the multicolor and just kind of seeing what they show up. Like you can get a surprise pack, and you get all these different colors. I collect them, and there's a lot. My kids love these. They like play around with them, and
it's kind of therapeutic just to touch and stroke. Are there different widths, or is it just more about the color selection?
54 yards. They usually come in 54 yards, and that's like the perfect amount for one lei.
Okay.
And I actually like to use two different colors together. I love doing, you know, mix and match. I usually ask, what are your school colors? What's your graduate's favorite colors? And I put things together, and I think, okay, some of them look great. Other times I'm like, these colors, blue and red, you can't put them together on a lei.
Some of those school colors. We were purple and yellow.
Ooh.
How would that look like in a lei?
I mean, maybe I'd try it, and I'd probably redo it.
But yeah, but you do see the variation of the different colors, and it takes on a cool effect if the colors play nicely.
And they have some different lengths too. Like this white and purple one, you've got like a longer white, shorter purple. So you see like the different dimensions there, but they're so soft and they last forever. Okay, and sometimes I spray them with perfume.
You do, just to have an extra touch?
Fresh flower smell.
Elle Woods sprayed her resume.
That's right.
You spray your lei.
I'm basically Elle Woods.
Cuter, smarter,
you're so
all the ers.
All
right, will you show me how to do this?
Yes, I will. Okay, I have to tell you.
What?
It's embarrassing because I make it seem like it's hard just so I feel important when people are like, wow, that's wonderful. Thank you so much for making this. It takes 30 minutes and it is the easiest thing you will ever do.
You're spilling your secret.
Oh, it's so good. Okay, so let's do a red and kind of like brown and white together. Boba straws. You can order these on Amazon too.
Yeah, the thicker plastic.
This is what you use to wrap your yarn around. So you just put this in.
Okay.
And this might be the hardest part about the lei. So you put this in, you want about, like I'd say 1 inch to come out.
Okay.
And we'll tape it.
So far, fairly simple supply list.
And I like picking different color ribbon too. So if I know it's gonna be like a red themed lei, I'll pick like a dark red.
Because the ribbon does show on the top. Okay.
So you'll see that. And then, if you wanna hold this, Brooke. Okay, we're doing 2 colors today. We are going to tie a knot. And this, again, not even that hard, right? Tie a knot around the boba.
Oh, it's thin. It's very thin.
Yep.
Okay.
Tie it, and then I put it all the way down to this ribbon, and then I kind of tie tight, not too tight. You kind of want it to be a little bit loose.
Okay.
And this is it. You guys ready?
Ready.
This is it. That's literally all you do.
It's the official AM Ashley Moser wrap technique.
Look. What? And you just keep going. You keep going. You keep going.
Okay.
It's like too easy.
Do you eventually slide it off, or do you?
Yes.
Oh,
so you'll gather it kind of at the end.
She's like, hold yourself back, Brooke. Yes. Okay.
And then you slip it off. I leave a little bit on because you.
So I would keep wrapping all the way up.
Yes, you keep going and do like a candy cane, like not too tight. I like to move one wrist. Literally, you turn the TV on, you watch a show, and then like 30 minutes later, you're done. And so yeah, when you get to the end, and you'll just slide it off. Pretend this is like full of lei, and I've got TV magic.
Oh, so you keep doing it, keep doing it, keep doing it.
Till you get to the end. And basically, okay, look at this. I did this. It actually took 20 minutes.
Amazing.
So yeah, it's not hard. And then I just tape this just for TV purposes. So this is the end of the lei.
Okay.
And then you're going to slide it off. And then you're going to tie your knot.
The ribbon comes right through?
It comes right through.
It's like Hawaiian magic.
It really is.
Look at that.
So don't tell anyone how easy. I mean, this is going to be on TV, but it is just
we are putting it out there, but you're sharing the lei love, which we're grateful for.
And I love this because it really is special.
Yeah.
And you know, you don't have to do only for graduation. You can do Mother's Day.
Sure.
You can do Father's Day.
Yes.
It's not only for women.
Well, the simplicity, we can joke about it, but really to get maybe your kids involved in this, to honor a babysitter or someone they look up to in the neighborhood.
And that's the fun thing. My kids like to pick the colors.
Yes.
And, you know, my son, he's like, I want green and orange. And I was like, we can try it. And it's fun to try because sometimes it does turn out really good. You've got some of the yarn that is like multicolor, like this one. And then if you pair that with like a purple, it actually could look really good.
Look at that. So much better than purple and yellow, wouldn't you say?
I could have made that for you.
This could have been my
graduation.
Yes. Ashley, thank you.
Yes.
Do you get homesick this time of year when you start to see a little bit?
I do, but you know what? It's just, this is how I keep in touch with my roots.
I love it. Well, thank you. Thank you for sharing with us.
Hey, aloha to you.
Oh, even better.
And we always give a hug and a kiss.
Love ya. Thank you so much.
Love it.
I'll just stop.
There we go.
Okay, fine. It's fine. Ashley, thank you very much.
Joke.